Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you are new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY melting elastic band, and I'm also going to show you how to install this crochet wig that I'm wearing right here. So if you are here for the install, you can go ahead and skip and go to 4 minutes and 26 seconds of this video, but if you are here for everything, keep watching.
I'm thinking I should call up
So firstly, we're going to be making our melting elastic band, and the thing that you need to know is you have to measure your head circumference first, and my head circumference is 22 inches, and then you have to remove some of the inches from that 22 so that when you put on your elastic on your head, it will be tied. So right here I did 18.5 inches for my elastic, and I'm just cutting off the velcro. I measured on the side of the elastic and I'm cutting off the velcro, and I'm going to sew the soft part right here on this side of the elastic. Then the other hard part, I'm going to sew it on the other side of the elastic. So yeah, just use your thread and needle to sew it right round on the elastic. Then you also do the same on the other side on the hard part, but the hard part I'm going to sew it off camera. Then I will also add another soft part right here so that I can adjust it. Like if I want it to be tight, I can go on the first velcro. If I want it to be more tighter, I can pin it on the other velcro that I will be sewing, like the other soft part, so it will adjust to be tight or to be more tighter. So you have to make sure that you take your head measurements first, then you can remove like the other inches, or you can just put your elastic on your head before you cut it. Then you can feel like if it is tight enough, or if it is too much, you can add more inches. So when you measure your elastic on your head, you can then cut it off. It will be easier that way, because our heads are different. 18.5 might not work for you. It might be too big or too small, so you have to measure your own head. So after sewing, I just bend the ends, like where I cut the thread, so that it will be secure, it won't unravel. So right here, this is where I'm going to sew the hard part, and make sure that you have to try it before you sew, so that you see that it will stick. Make sure you don't sew them on the same side. The other one will be on the left side of the elastic band, and the other one will be on the opposite side of the elastic band. So right here, I'm going to add another soft part of my velcro, and I'm just going to measure right here. Then I'm going to cut, and after cutting, I'm going to leave a distance of half an inch between the two velcros, and I'm going to sew it right here. So guys, do let me know if you're going to be trying to make your own, or you already have one. If you don't have, you should make your own, guys. This really helps on your install, especially when you're doing frontals. It helps, guys, it helps. So make sure you make your own that you'll be using for installation, to melt down your layers, to make sure that, like, when you are installing a frontal, the sides might lift sometimes, so you have to make sure that there's something that is putting pressure on it, so that it will stick to the glue. So it will help on the ear sides. When you want to lay your frontal, it will also help to put pressure on it, and it will stick to the glue. So this is a necessity. You have to make your own if you don't have. Like, this is so easy to do. Just use your velcro and your elastic, and you will be having your own melting band. So this is how it's looking, guys. 2 soft parts and 1 hard part. That part will be using it to pin it on the first part or the second one. You can just adjust to where you want it to be. You want it to be tight, or you want it to be more tighter, guys. This is so simple and easy. Do let me know what you think about this melting band. So next to the install, I'm applying my foundation on the layers to make sure that it matches my skin tone, like that, guys. And then I'm not going to be doing a bold cap method. I'm just going to install it without doing bold cap. Yeah, because this is a all back wig. It doesn't have any parting. It's just all back. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this crochet wig, do subscribe. It's totally free to subscribe. You won't be charged any money. Just subscribe and turn on the notification bell. When I upload the tutorial now I made this crochet wig, you'll be notified. I'm uploading it soon, guys. Soon. Don't worry, I'm uploading it soon. So yeah, and right here I'm just applying my Go-To-Be glue gel. I did cut some slits so that it will be easy for me to lay down the lace. So just blow dry it and make sure that it is clear, it's no longer white, it is clear and tacky. Then just press down your wig right there, the first section, the middle part section, and just press it down using your comb or anything that you have. And then on the other side, make sure that you also put your glue on the sides of the ear so that your lace will lay really well on the sides. So just put your Go-To-Be glue right there, blow dry it, and press down your wig like that. Yeah, so I'm also going to be doing the other ear, but I'm doing it off camera. And then after doing this, I'm going to blow dry to make sure that everything the wig is laying down well. After that, I'm going to be using my melting elastic band. This is where it works, guys. I'm just going to put it right on the hairline, and then it will help to make sure that the ear parts, they melt really well, like they stick on the side, they won't lift or anything like that. So after that, I'm going to be cutting off the excess lace. Then we're going to be applying our glamour lace spray on the edges, like the lace that is lifting right at the front, those tiny little pieces of lace. We're going to be applying our glamour spray right there. Then we're going to be using our melting band again, guys. We're going to be using it again. So you should make your own. If you don't have, guys, you should make your own. Elastic band is really cheap, the Velcro is cheap, so you can afford, anyone can afford it, guys. So yeah, after cutting off, this is the glamour spray that I was talking about. I'm just spraying it on my fingers, then I'm just tapping the spray on the hairline right there to make sure that the lace is melting right in. So just apply it, just tap on the lace. Then we are going to be putting the elastic band right here, guys, and I left it like that for about 15 minutes. And then when you remove it, we're going to be using our foundation to dab on the ends to make sure that there's no like residue. So guys, do let me know what you think about the install, what you think about the melting band, guys. Are you also going to try your own? So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, but thank you so much, guys, for coming back. You are the best. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video, which will be making this crochet wig.
Right
Goodbye.
there, double them